Okay, today we're going to be building a Tetris app on Claude. I'm using the mobile application on my phone. So, build a Tetris like clone. Have a point counting system. Allow the blocks to be movable and draggable. And go to the next level upon 10 lines completed in as few lines of code possible. Please and thank you. All right, see what happens. Another thing to note is these AI engines or platforms like Claude or ChatGPT or whatever, the time will depend on how many people are using it when you are for the project to finish loading. So it says, here's your Tetris clone, everything packed into one HTML file. Here's what's included: controls, arrow keys to move, rotate, space for hard drop, down for soft drop, and you can click and drag the active piece anywhere on the board. Scoring 100, 300, 500, 800 points for 4 lines, cleared at once, every 10 levels, next level. Speeds up drop rate with a level up flash effect, polish, ghost piece preview, next piece display, retro CRT scanline overlay, and glow effect. Now let's see it. Start. Let's see here. Hold on. Hold on. There should be a way I can full screen it. Hmm. Okay, so it did it for the browser. Please update application to be mobile friendly. As few lines of code possible. Please and thank you. I'm gonna add fixture errors at the end. So some of the limitations on the free version include the way the efficiency of the code operates, and having to be direct and clear in the instructions. You have to know exactly what you want to prompt the code or Claude in this case to do, or else it might not give you the results you think it will. I think it's best to try to get these projects done earlier in the day versus later. But Claude is what I prefer to use because ChatGPT's um, low key running out of a lot of money fast. And the people that we're going to invest in it are starting to seem like they're pulling out, like Microsoft and Nvidia. I believe Sam Altman overpromised on things that right now ChatGPT is not able to deliver upon. And I think Claude is a much safer, even more efficient alternative. But feel free to mess around with as many different AIs you come across. This is what I like to use for programming tasks. Now they updated a mobile friendly version. Okay. Responsive canvas, D-pad controls, touch and drag, tap to rotate, swipe down. No accidental zoom. Let's see. There we go. Okay, that's a little bit better. So there. Okay. The line completed. Okay, so I guess this works. So here was the Claude AI Tetris tutorial. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. This has been Advanced Science. Thank you. See you in the next one.